Good morning, everyone. My name is Aaradhya Choudhury. I am 9 years old from India. And in this pandemic, I made 2 apps and a telescope in robotics. So let me show you. During the pandemic, I have created a record in India Book of Records in the category of maximum questions on general observation answered by a child. I completed the advanced course of Android app development using MIT App Inventor and the basic course of robotics and 3D designing. In Android apps, I made Raksha Kabach and kindergarten learning apps. The features of Raksha Kabach app are: it can provide us with the current location with the latitude and longitude. We can send this location and a message via SMS or any other app. We can find the nearby police station near our current location with the help of Google navigation. We can call to our guardians. If we do not remember the number of our guardian, then no worries. We can pick a contact from a contact list and then call to our guardian. We can contact to our various emergency numbers. We can also learn judo self-defense techniques. We can even record a video and click a picture, and we can share that picture or image. So let me show you the working of my app through a video. Here's my app, and here you can see the current location with the address, and here the latitude and longitude. And here I'm going to pick a number. Here you can see pick a number. Instead of typing, I'm going to pick a number. And here you can see my contact list. And here you can see that the number is printed on this text box. And now I'll type the message I want to send with the location. Like I'm stuck in the market, or I'm stuck in the circus, or any other message you like. And you can send this location via message app. Now, if you want to share this location and a message via other apps, then you can use the second button, that is share via other apps, and you can find a lot of options like WhatsApp, Gmail, and many more. And I'm going to send it to my guardian. Now, when you're going to send, then you can see that message typed in the text box that I'm stuck in the market and my location is. And here you can see a link. So when the guardian will receive that link, then when they click on it, then they can see the current location of the user of the app. So I'll send it. And now I'll go back. And now for nearby police station. And here it will take a little time to load. And here you can see so many police stations. If you want, you can select a direction from this list, or you can even select with the Google Map. You can click on directions, and the Google Map will navigate you to that particular police station you select. Now we'll go back. Now we are here back onto our screen, and we will click on Learn Judo Tricks. And here you can see various videos. I'll click on the second video. And then you can learn like that. Like that you can learn. Now I'll click a picture. You can set your camera, and then you can click a picture like that. You clicked a picture. Now if you think that your picture is really blur or is not coming properly, then there are two options, retry and okay. And okay, if you click on that, then it is the final option, and retry, if you click, then you can click another image. Go for retry and we click another image and we'll do okay. Now here you can see the image that I clicked is on my app. And if I want to share my image, I'll click on this button and I have so many options. And click on WhatsApp. And now I'll send it to my guardian. Now when you send it, there is a default message, emergency help me. You can even remove that message and type a new message. And you can send this. And to record the video, you have second option. Here, record video, and when you click on this, then you can set your camera and then record a video. After recording, you have again two options, retry and okay. This time we are going to do okay. And this will be by default saved in your device, the recording. Now let's go back. Now we will go for emergency helplines, and here you can see there are so many emergency helplines. Now if you feel like if a stranger is near you, you feel unsafe and a thief is near you like that, so you can just click on this false police siren button, and it'll be like a false police siren, so the thieves or strangers that are near you will feel like the police is near them. So if I click on the police for helpline, I can do like that. And this is for the false police siren. And you can stop the siren like that. Now here you can see more emergency helplines, and we are going to call a guardian this time. And we are here a contact list. I'm going to select a contact and call. Go back and back. Now here I'm going about the creator, and here you can see about the creator of Para. And I'm going back. I'll go for about the app, and here you can see a lot about the app. I'll go back and I close the app. This app is also uploaded in the Play Store. As I've made another app, the Kindergarten Learning app, the feature of the Kindergarten Learning app are, there are multiple sections in the app to choose from, like animals, transport, let's doodle, color game, and many more. If we click on animals, then there is a new screen, and there are two categories, the domestic animals and the wild animals. Now, under the domestic animals, there are three buttons with three images of domestic animals. If you click on the cow image or the cow button, then it will give the sound of the cow. In a similar way, in the transport, I have a chart of transport, and in Let's Doodle, if the children want to write ABCD, want to practice how to write, then they can doodle there. And there's a color game that is a type of memory game. If you click on each card, there are 8 pairs of cards. So if you click on each card, it will flip about and it will show its color. And you have to select another card which matches the color. If the color does not match, then the cards will flip back. And in robotics, I have made a telescope with a stand. Here you can see a stand. And here I put a screw with a lens here. And this is a frame. I made this telescope using Tinkercad. And now if you have any questions regarding my app or my robotics, please ask me.
Very good. there's like so much work you've done. Congratulations. I mean, you're like a mobile app developer, uh, inventor, designer, problem solver. Like you've done like so many things. Like thanks for sharing. I mean, that app. There's a question about your app that some of the attendees have. Like if you have or have thought about putting it available on the App Store.
Yes, sir. The Raksha Kavach app is in the App Store. It's uploaded there, Google Play Store.
Okay, okay. That's the answer to that question. How long did it take for you to develop that app?
Around a week.
That's fast. I mean, you're a fast developer. I mean, very good. Uh, now that you have worked with that, developing that app, what upgrades do you think that you want to put in there for the next version?
Sir, I can modify it and add some more emergency helplines and give a little more comfort to the users. And I can add some more features that will help the user in the emergency time. Like I can keep an image classifier, they can classify, that's the artificial intelligence. I can keep that also.
That's a good idea. Yes. Do you have a project for any other different apps?
Uh, yes, sir, the kindergarten learning app, and I have also other many apps like you can see another app as memory game or the save environment app. I have many apps like that. So calculator app also I made, and I have also made other apps. So I have other apps too.
Awesome. Awesome. You've done a great job. I mean, I'm amazed on all of these things that you're sharing. Thank you. And congratulations on having all of that.
I
Yuri,
thank
you have a question?
Actually, I thank you and the whole global innovation field trip with the Makers India to give me an opportunity to reconnoiter my adroitness.
Of
Are you?
course. And we
It's-
look forward like having you here in January for the next global innovation field trip and see what news you've got. And
yeah, probably what next 15 apps she's created between now and
yeah.
then. You're
Yeah,
amazing.
Thank you, ma'am.
very good. Keep the good job. I mean, you're doing great. Awesome. Thank you.
Sir, ma'am, you can also suggest something good about the app.
Well, I think that the interesting thing is that you're focusing on the essential functions that some guardian would like to have kids have in their app. So it's not only about like giving up a basic functionality, but you're thinking all around this, all like like all of these services gather in a single app. So that is something that gives an added value to your device. So everybody's will want to have an app like that. So I think that is a very good app design approach.
Thank you, sir.
Awesome. Thank you very much.